name is Jayani and welcome to Jayani Learning. Today we're going to be making 5 little monkeys. Right now I only made 4, but I'm going to make 5 soon. So this is how to make a monkey. First, you need a piece of paper. It doesn't need to be white both sides, but you just need a piece of paper. Next, you need a pencil or a pen, but I prefer a pencil. Next, draw out your monkey. Okay, now coloring. There. Well, I color this a little differently than the others because I use brush markers, but it doesn't look that different. Okay, and next, now we have to take cardboard. I cut it out and made this. There's 2 sides. I'm going to use this side because it's decorated. And then I can put this right here. And then I just need to glue it. Now I glue on this. Next, I need to cut carefully on the monkey. But before that, if you wanted to make it like shiny, then you can use tape to put it on. Or you could just laminate it, but I don't think you can laminate it. You have to take tape and put it on this. Do it really carefully, so no overlapping and no gaps. Snip. Once you're sure that you're done, and you have to be really sure, then carefully, and this is actually hard, carefully, really carefully, cut on the line of the monkey. Then you'll end up with this. And then I'll tell you the next step. Okay, now I'm done with this one. And I'm done with all my 5 monkeys. These are all my 5 monkeys. There. But we need one more thing. There. Now, we have to attach all of this to popsicles. Popsicles, aka wooden sticks. So, we have to use hot glue. Didn't exactly say you can't use anything else like normal glue, but it doesn't stick. Let's just hope this works. Guess what? It did work. I mean, of course it will. Now, just do that for the rest. There. These are all of them. You can even make a mother if you want. But I'm not going to make a